I bet you didn't know John Deere is a tech company now. John Deere now has AI tractors that use vision systems, right? Advanced vision systems. So when the tractor is going over all the crops, it's using the vision to decide where it needs to spray and how much. Isn't that crazy, guys? John Deere reports earnings next week. Here are the only 3 things you need to know. 1, business. 2, financials. 3, valuation. Am I buying John Deere at the right price? Let's go! John Deere Q2 data. Revenue, $23 billion, up 8% year over year.
Nice.
Operating income, $2.5 billion, down 9% year over year. And their cash for operation is up a whopping 83% year over year. Ooh. Right now, John Deere is trading above where my system finds value.
Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions.
I'm passing at the moment.